Hello, my friends, and how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm bringing you my desk makeover. Ay, 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 ay. This is a terrible mess, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna fix it right now. I decided to use this side of my room. It's got great lighting, a good amount of wall space that I can use, hang plants and beautiful things, so I can feel good and have my own little space for creating. Let's get started. The first thing I did was get more plants. So I got myself a hanging plant from a local plant shop that I love. Then we headed to IKEA where I got a lamp, I got a whole bunch of storage boxes, a pegboard, and the accessories to go with it. We ate there, nothing special, but the company was special. My husband was there with me. To bring in the shiny and the new, there's a little bit of cleaning to do, so let's get to it. My house at that moment was being painted, so they first pressure washed it and then painted the next day. I know everybody has the IKEA pegboard, but I absolutely love it because not only is slick and modern and cool, it's actually very affordable and very easy to put up. I'm planning to add some of my polymer clay pieces to the pegboard, and I also want to display some of my watercolor paintings. This monitor, it's only 27 inches, but it actually looks bigger than that. And guys, oh my goodness, the difference between working with your laptop and working with a 27-inch monitor, it's so big. Here I am organizing my little cookie cutters for my polymer clay pieces. But seriously, organizing is one of my favorite things to do. But the beauty of organizing is really not just to put it away, it's also to make it functional and easy to find. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw this box full of these little plant plushies. You guys, I got it for $6 at a thrift store. I am super excited to do this unboxing here with you guys. I treated myself with an iPad Pro. It's so big. I also have an iPad mini, which I gave to my husband, but I wanted a bigger one for sketching and illustrating. I want to do a lot of that this year. I use my iPad all the time for sketching things for my other business. Eventually, I will be showing you what I do in my other business. I do a lot of things for parties and corporate events. I do face painting, balloon twisting, I do party decor, I do balloon decor. So don't worry about it. I will be taking you along and I will be showing you everything that I do in my other business. After about a day of having fun here cleaning and organizing and redecorating, this is what my desk looks like. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please stay tuned, comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope to see you later. Goodbye.